Good Thursday morning, meteorologist Nikki Petras in the Fort Wayne's NBC Weather Center with what's going to be first a foggy, then a rainy Thursday forecast. If you're heading out the door within the morning hours of the day, expect some patchy fog to be hanging around for a good while. We saw some pretty dense fog earlier this morning. Still going to be a factor as conditions remain mild. Temperatures also pretty nice and mild in the upper 30s to low 40s. Damp conditions following some rain yesterday, leading to that fog that we're seeing now. Not going to be a factor all day. We're going to warm up as the afternoon progresses and then see some showers move in later on today. Looking at Futurecast here showing just cloudy conditions, maybe some lingering fog until about 12:30 this afternoon. We have showers out to our south and our west. Going to move northeast as the day goes on. We get to about 2 o'clock. See our first chance for rain moving on in for our southwesternmost counties into the early afternoon hours. Overspreading the area once we get into about 3 to 5 o'clock. Seeing also some chances for some pretty heavy rain, even a few possible thunderstorms with this system, our first real storm event of the spring season. Here's about 5 o'clock, widespread showers, some heavier rain, some pockets of that. Could be seeing a few storms pop up along this time. I think mainly east of I-69 is a good bet to see some of that heaviest rain begin to fall. Hanging around through into the evening hours tonight. Going to start to dry out just a little bit. Still going to be damp, still some lingering showers into the overnight hours. Another shot of rain comes early tomorrow. We clear out finally once we get to the later part of your Friday, but then we drop off temperature-wise, getting much colder after staying pretty mild up to the 60s today. Overnight not falling off too far, only into the upper 50s. Starting off warm tomorrow and then falling off into a very chilly 20-degree evening once we head into the weekend. Today the high is 63 degrees. Rain in store later on following this fog. Again, a few chances for a few isolated showers later on throughout the day. Storms possible as well. Winds pick up, already seeing that a bit now. Going to see it really pick up toward the evening as the system moves through. Temperatures falling only into the upper 50s for a pretty mild evening. Overcast conditions, the reason behind all of that. Once we start to clear tomorrow, we're going to start off in the 60s and fall off as the day goes on. Lingering showers through the morning, drying as the day continues. That's when the temperatures also going to be falling as those winds shift out of the northwest between 15 to 20 miles per hour. Could see gusts higher than that. Overall, the weekend, the sun returns, but we do see a chance for some very chilly temperatures, especially across our northern counties. Could be sitting only in the upper 30s throughout much of your Saturday. 40s by Sunday, but the sun is back into the 50s again for Monday when rain returns back to the forecast next midweek. We'll have more on your forecast coming up tonight at 5, 6, and 11.